Hi everyone! You go home. What tense is this? Present simple tense. What is the subject? You. What is the verb? Go. What is the object? Home. So, how do we make the present simple tense? Subject plus verb plus object. Well done. How can we make this sentence negative? You do not go home. Can we make this shorter? You don't go home. How can I make this sentence a question? Do you go home? Is this correct? No. Do you go home? Yes. I go home. Or no. I don't go home. Okay? We wake up. We wake up. How can I make this a question? Do we wake up? Is this correct? No. Do we wake up? What are the answers? Yes. We wake up. No. We don't wake up. Okay? He reads a book. How can I make this a question? Subject is he, she, it. So, does he read a book? Is this correct? No. Does he read a book? Is this correct? No. Because we use does with S, reads, no S. Does he read a book? What are the answers? Yes. He reads a book. No. He doesn't read a book. Okay? He brushes his teeth. How do we make this a question? Does he brushes his teeth? Is this correct? No. Does he brushes his teeth? Is this correct? No. He, she, it. So we use does with S. So, brushes, no S. Does he brush his teeth? What are the answers? Yes. He brushes his teeth. No. He doesn't brush his teeth. Okay? If the subject is I, you, we, they, then do plus subject plus verb plus object and question mark. For example, do they like cats? If the subject is he, she, it, then does plus subject plus verb plus object with a question mark. For example, does she like cats? With a question mark. Good job! Let's practice together. He goes to work. He, she, it. So, does. Does he goes to work? S with does. So, goes, no S. And question mark. Does he go to work? You have lunch. You. Do you have lunch? Easy. She has a shower. He, she, it does. Does she has? No S. Does she have a shower? It cooks dinner. He, she, it does. Does it cooks? No S. Dinner. They get dressed. They do. do they get dressed? Easy. Good job. Well done. Now, do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Learn English.
Why are you eating chocolate?
With your favorite English teacher.
Hi everyone.
Grandma.
In. On.
Vocabulary.
Orange.
Activities. Real-life conversations.
The changing room is over there.
More than 100 lessons.
Hi everyone. Today, we will practice English conversation.
Worksheets for every lesson. Weekly live classes. Take your English to the next level. With Rachel's online English program. 7-day free trial. School.com/learn English with Rach.